Cooking oil has seen a sharp increase across the country. The 3.75-litre Shuddh refined oil increased by 15.65%, whereas the 3.75-litre Bengal Gold increased by 13.03%, the 5-litre Natural Gold by 12.26%, and 5-litre Saffola Gold by 2.28%. In Thimphu, the 5-litre Saffola oil, which cost around 1,020 𝗺𝗻 in December, is now priced at about 1,090 𝗺𝗻. The report points to higher global prices and increased transportation costs as key reasons behind the rise. Since Bhutan relies heavily on imported edible oil, changes in international markets directly affect local prices. Egg prices are also climbing steadily. In Thimphu, a tray now costs as high as 580 𝗺𝗻. The report shows that the average price of a tray increased from 478 𝗺𝗻 in December last year to 534 𝗺𝗻 in March this year. This is an increase of more than 11% and prices are still rising.
Our suppliers in 𝗀𝗃𝗃 egg production has dropped due to the high cost of poultry feed. Many farmers can no longer afford feed and are forced to sell their birds, leading to reduced supply. Even when they try to source eggs from other farmers, they face the same challenges, resulting in overall low production and high prices.
Meanwhile, starting today, the Food Corporation of Bhutan will supply imported white eggs across the country in phases. The maximum retail price including GST will be maintained at 330 𝗺𝗻 per tray. The report further stated that other essential goods including rice, flour and packaged food items have remained relatively stable. Only small fluctuations have been recorded in the past 3 months. Competition and Consumer Affairs Authority (CCAA) has based retail price analysis report on market data collected from all 20 districts. It tracks 45 essential commodities across 10 major categories including cereal, pulses, dairy products, edible oils, beverages and meat products. The report notes that price differences are mainly driven by transport costs, supply chain constraints, and market access challenges rather than the goods and services tax. Although prices saw a slight increase in February following the introduction of GST in January, they stabilized or even declined in March. Prices of essential goods are expected to remain under close watch as authorities continue monitoring market trends across the country. 𝗺𝗃𝗃𝗀𝗃, PBS News.